Using CarNet App Connect, Android Auto is a simple way to get connected and access select apps through your compatible phone right on your dash. But first, there are a couple steps you must take before connecting Android Auto. You must have a Google sign-in from your phone, and you must download the Android Auto app from the Google Play Store and start it on the phone. Plug your Android device into a USB port. We recommend using the charging cable that came with your phone. Once you've completed this, press the App button. Select Android Auto to begin activation. When the data transfer screen appears, select OK to continue. You will then be asked to check your phone for a confirmation message before continuing. You have to accept the connection, and there may be other prompts. Android Auto will now load. Armed with useful information and what you need to get connected, you're ready to hit the road with Android Auto.